Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be playing with my bird Loki. Please like and subscribe. Maybe turn on those notifications. Thanks. Let's get to the video. Ah. Hi. You want to say ah? Oh, good boy. Good boy. No. Why? I don't know. I said no and he said why. Oh my god. Because when you bite me, it hurts. It hurts. It's like, ow, ow. Yeah, you said, oh. Be gentle. Good boy. Good boy. Oh no. I think the cat sees a bug. I feel a bug on my forehead. Hi. Hi, baby. Hey, be gentle. Why are you saying why again? Woo. Zooming in. Whoa. No, you're not allowed. Zoom into those eyes. Alright, anyway. Hi. Hi. No biting. Toe. I got your toe. Why? 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 I don't know why. You tell me why. Bunk. Think someone's home. Anyway. Why are there so many dead crane flies? One there. One there. Oh. Bless you! This thing over there. There's a dead crane fly over there somewhere. Yeah. Hi. Hi, Loki. Ah. 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 Oh. Hello. Crane fly. Ah. Ah. And by the way, it is like very hot out here. You're stepping on your tail. Baby go. Hi. All right, and transition time. Well, not exactly a transition time, but still, transition time. All right. We're back. Playing with the bird until sundown, basically. Or until someone else can bring him in. Hey. Hey, hi. We can't do much while you're in. when he's in his cage.
I'm so sorry.
That was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, maybe turn on those notifications. Thanks. Bye.